Hey everyone, I hope you guys are well. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of our recent project that we did with Keller Williams Realty Centers in Canada. Right, this is a lead generation agency funnel, right, that we created for them. This funnel is directly focused towards building credibility as a coaching business, as a coaching agency that they have for realtors in Canada, so that we can attract high quality lead. This also becomes the homepage of them for people to visit and understand more about what they do as a business. I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of this custom project, right? This kind of project literally costs thousands of dollars for a client when they hire us in order to be part of the team. But then the output is equally amazing and valuable, right? Because this literally will generate multiple six-figure for our clients in terms of leads, and literally becomes the homepage, right? The face for people to come in and visit, right? So let's walk through and let's get into it. Before that, I'd like to quickly introduce a bit about myself, right? Let me close the pop-up here, right? So my name is Pritam, right? In case you want to know more about me, right? I run a Gohighlevel funnel website design agency. We build marketing funnels, websites, custom design marketing funnel website for our clients literally across the world. Like we have served clients across 12 plus countries, right? So you can visit pritam.com in case you want to know more about me and learn more about me. You can, check our work and everything in depth. Apart from that, in case you want to know more about our affiliate offers, since a lot of you wanted to become an affiliate and wanted to learn exactly that what we provide, so that you can join under us as an affiliate, and sign up your new Gohighlevel account so that you can get our affiliate bonuses. So bonus.pritam.com is that link. By the way, all these links are actually mentioned in the description box. All right, this is the first important three links that you will get. So make sure that you go through them in order to learn more about our business, our services, and eventually work with us in some way or the other. I'll highly appreciate that. Right. This is about the bonuses and what we offer as a business. Right. We have exclusive bonuses that we offer to anybody, any business that opens up their high level account under us, and they get all of this as complimentary from me and my team. Thank you so much for going through all this. Let's go back and let's help you understand everything in depth here. So the client reached out from Canada. They wanted to get a lead generation funnel, which is a lead generation come appointment funnel to be booked, right? And they wanted to have an expert for that. And of course, they reached out to us, our YouTube channel. They watched our YouTube content a lot, and they wanted to work with us. So, I mean, when we take up a project, everything here is custom built, which basically means that we take up the entirety of the project to be delivered to the client, right? So Keller Williams Realty Center is actually a training and coaching company in Canada that specializes into coaching the realtors to get more leads, get more sales, basically to train them up to be the experts and the expert closers and to do very well into the realty space, right? So in the real estate space, basically, right? That's basically what people are here for, and they want to come for, right? And we wanted to create a lead generation funnel specifically for that, right? So that's what we have mentioned. We have added their logos, we added the get started button. It's very crucial that we add a button on the top right hand side apart from this one, because we want to grab the attention as well in people. So whenever you have a home page, right, or lead generation page, right, that is probably long form, you can consider adding a button here that can increase the conversion rate at least on the desktop mode, right? If you are providing any kind of sales funnels, then it's highly likely that you should be adding here, which is your support email, so that people can reach out in case they have any kind of questions or they kind of stuck in kind of payment issues, right? We also want to mention a bonus thing that they have providing, which is that, hey, and all the copywriting that we have done here is basically by our team. So what you get here is this is a combined effort of understanding who they are, what they provide as a business, and then enforcing it with our designing and copywriting strategies. So for example, here we are providing them a full playbook as bonuses, right? Only when they complete the survey, right? So we have the bait attached, which is what you get as complimentary, but for that you have to do this. And we have that mentioned very, very specifically on the landing page itself. Right. So, and this is for individual agents, teams, and small brokers. So the target audience is very specific in terms of, they want to target the agents, sometimes small teams, and also small big brokers, because these are a set of people that they can actually train and coach for in the coaching industry, right? So this is what they call the hero section, or the hero section part looks like. They wanted to also showcase all, the male, females, black, whites, everyone, right? Because they want to represent that, they want to talk to everybody, and they want to show that as part of the examples, right? So we also, as an agency, when we build marketing funnels and websites for our clients, we take these things very, very seriously, because we understand that the way we portray our images, our graphics, our videos, all of that into our landing pages for our clients, that actually communicates a lot, all right, to the local communities that you have. Even though we are a business that is operating on a global level, and literally from Australia to the US, but we understand, the detailings that you need, that you need in the local aspect as well. And that's exactly how we've got this done. We also got a lot of inputs from our clients that they wanted to add, and we actually custom designed it perfectly in order to add it, right? So this was basically a two image, which was the left, the lady, and the right gentleman, but then we added the main lady here as well in order to showcase authority figures, right? And target every group in the locality or in Canada, right? So that's how we build multiple of our projects, and we wanted to have this book an appointment call. So if you see there, they kind of have this red color, which I wanted to get. I want to get a brighter red, so it looks well for the appointment page as well, which is for the buttons. And yeah, and these are trust badges, which are super important. So whenever you want to add any kind of authority in your landing pages, always make sure that you add trust badges. These are not any people, these are actually real clients, real headshots, and real people, right? So they are a professional coaching agency, so they have a lot of resources. When you have a lot of resources, you can really do a lot of it into your landing pages. Of course, when you click on it, you actually get the pop-up. The pop-up is all about a survey that we build for our client, right? Survey showcases the bonuses that, hey, if you need those four bonuses, complete the survey and grab for playbook for free. This literally gives you the incentive and call to action at every single step of your journey in order to make the decision to proceed forward and then complete the process, which is complete the survey. It's very essential you complete the survey, right? When you click on next, then you'll have multiple questions coming in, and the moment this happens, you'll get an email with all the documents and details, right, in account. Right, featured on is where we showcase all the logos that the client has worked with, or these are the logos that or this is basically where they got featured in as on a real estate coaching and training industry specific, right? Now we want to focus on the target audience, which is, hey, if you're an agent, right, team, or small broker seeking to unlock the full potential of it, and they are already had a great video attached, right? So I always wanted to get a video attached, because if you see all our top performing agency funnels, right, or agency lead gen funnels, right, all of them basically have this, right? So we always wanted to get a video, right? And fortunately, they already had this pre-built, so we didn't have to wait a long period of time for this, all right? But even though it took a long period of time for us to complete the project, because sometimes our clients get really busy and they can probably be available over a period of time. So that's perfectly fine, because we understand that, and that's how we manage our work too. Then we always want to mention the issues and the pain points that people are facing, so that we can actually tackle that, which is struggling with leads. And by the way, these are the issues we always came up with our copywriting team. Now what happens here is, when you give us a project, we actually give you a list of questions that we need to ask you, and based on that, we understanding in depth about your business, and then we do a further research to collaborate all the core topic, all the content, and then make better copy out of it. So what happens here is, there are multiple issues that these realtors face into the real estate agency or the real estate business, which is, they're struggling with leads, they are overwhelmed with the time management, they're not really sure about the financials, financial stability, they're worried about that as well. They lack guidance and support. They do not really have the vision in order to make it big, right, in the business, and they are probably struggling with team building, hiring new recruits, and then getting them to do the work in the best way possible, right? And that's exactly why they should be hiring us, and that's exactly why the next section comes up as why us, right? What do you want to hire Realty Williams Skill Center, right? So for that, we actually show them with this line, which is, the only reason that every people want to do business with us is business, right? They have generated over $1.6 million of profit share back to the agency partners. And I got this photo from their team, because they had a lot of photographs, and we wanted to add something that represent them on the team, right? We didn't really wanted to have a single photo in there, so we have literally everybody in their team, and that's how they are actually probably having a meeting and all. They got the great photo done. So we actually gave a brief description about Keller Williams Realty Center, and then we showcased about the three most important things that they will normally get when they join or they become a part of this community, right? And then of course we have multiple call to action. Then comes the owner, which is Colin Campbell, amazing guy, very very exciting, very very full of energy guy. I always will get good vibes when you want to walk with him or when you even talk to him. So I really liked and enjoyed my time walking and talking to Colin whenever we got on calls. Right. So again, a bit about Colin here, but we wanted to focus on the business itself, which is Keller Williams. Right, it's a home to the dreamers and entrepreneurs, where they actually do the coaching and the training to people in the real estate business. But we also want to give them a short drop down in case they want to know more about Colin, because Colin wanted that, hey, we should focus more on the business and not too much on him, even though I wanted him to have a dedicated section about himself, right? But then he went ahead and chose the option, okay, I'll have a section for myself, but I want to minimize so that only when people want to know about me, they can come and explore about that. So we want to have this section here. This actually talks about Colin Campbell in detail. So yeah, people can learn more about him. And also it's a very interactive process. You can see here, it just looks so nice in terms of how this is designed. Right. Apart from that, we also showcase the industries, basically what people are going to get when they work with us in the real estate industry, which is to empower real estate success with our coaching industry. And here's what everything that they cover, they get when they're working with us, which is advanced agent coaching, team building coaching, team agent recruitment, growth agent community, growth agent masterminds, monthly training, business plans and roadmap meetings, and profit sharing opportunities, of course. Everything that businesses are looking for in the real estate business is what they are providing as a coaching and training company for these real estate people. Now, we also want to showcase that, hey, this probably be a bit overwhelming for them, for everybody to understand, but we want to also give them the simple process as to how this thing works. And this thing works in three magical and simple steps. Step one, right, is that complete the survey and get 4 playbooks as bonuses for free, right? You can see it's a very clear understanding. Hey, complete the survey and get these bonuses. Apart from that, step two is book an appointment, because the next page is all about booking an appointment, right? And the third is get an opportunity to work with the Keller Williams Realty team, right? So this is the three simple steps so that they can understand what exactly they need to do. They can't just wait to get the books. They need to, book the appointment, and then they will reach out to them to see if there's a good fit. Again, a call to action which showcases about this pretty dance survey for them. Apart from that, we have the testimonials. These are real testimonials, real clients. We actually did some editing on the photos as well, but then we made this in a very nice way. They had a lot of testimonials, but we decided to get the important ones, and we also added many other important ones also at the back end, which is on the next page, right? But we also wanted to get so that we can actually showcase all the communities, men, women, black or white. It doesn't matter. We want to make sure that we are open to every single one in to become a part of the agency or the coaching industry or the business, right? And the way to show it is to include every kind of people into your testimonials in case you have it. In case you don't, you can just add the ones you have it at the moment, and then future you can add more, right? That's how you need to think in order to have inclusiveness into your business, where you want to partner with all kinds of people, all kind of people from everywhere around the world, right? So that's how you want to work with this, right? Then we also added video testimonial. Of course, the testimonials added here are not available here because we want to make sure that the videos are separate. So we have also added the video testimonial. I think they look stunning here, of course. Then we also show them that what exactly they are going to get or they'll miss if they don't become a part of Keller Williams coaching center, right? So you'll be able to see that, hey, they are enjoying a lot. They have parties, they have appreciation, they have gala awards, they have different kind of reunions and all of that. And we use the Gohighlevel slider element in order to do it to make it look so well and so attractive at the same time. Apart from that, we have the final call to action that we give them. Hey, if you want to thrive into the real estate industry and you want a coaching from us so that we can literally train you ground up, then you should come and join us. And the best way to do it is click on it, get a free bonus, book a call, and then that's how you do it. By the way, let me just show it to you that this is also 100% mobile optimized agency landing page, so that you'll have a better idea of how this looks on the mobile view. This is what people see into the 14 Pro Max, as you can see on the top. And this is what people will be able to see into their above the fold, basically into the 14 Pro Max, right? And if you just scroll down, everything is just so seamlessly built well in the mobile mode, right? So this is what we specialize in. custom design landing pages and funnels is what our specialty is, and that's what we have been offering to our clients literally across the world. Right, so we have everything that we normally need, and we have it figured out here as well. Right, I think this looks stunning. Everything is center aligned, just makes it to look stunning for everybody who wants to go through the entire thing. Right, let me quickly stop it and let me just go back. Let me just share with you the second page, which is the appointment page as well. Awesome. So I want to pull up the appointment page as well for you guys. If you see the appointment page, which is basically the thank you page when somebody signs up, or completes the survey, they actually land into the appointment page. The appointment page clearly shows the 4 ebooks that they're gonna get, and it's a clear call to action, right? Everything is very, very intentional here, right? Congratulations, step one is completed, right? So you got the step one diet. Congratulations for that. The following 4 playbooks has been sent to your registered email ID, which is this 4 emails, right? Now this is the above the fold section, so we want to showcase more things here, right? So check here, which is the step two. So step two is still left. If you remember that when we went to this page, we actually showed you that we already have 3 steps here, right? Step one, step two, step three. Step one or two is what they need to take, right? So we're showing them, hey, check here for step two, and we have that arrow. So when they scroll down, they will be able to see here that, hey, for individual agents, teams, and small brokerages, right? Step two, schedule a call with our team below, and then you have this calling system here, which is currently added as currently, but you can also have high level ones depending on what you want to add, and then we also have trust badges here. Apart from that, we also have the new testimonial, which is not added into the front page, but we wanted to add inside this page, right? To build trust and credibility, and also we want to again give them a glimpse as to how work inside Keller Williams looks at. So we want to give you all the examples in here, right? So that's how you build the payment and the order of the appointment page as well. Apart from that, this is also 100% mobile optimized, right? As you see here, it just looks so neat and clean. Love it, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it as to how you build lead generation, or I would say agency funnels, right? You literally describe your entire agency that you have been doing, and that's how you build it, right? In case you want to work with us, make sure you go to pritampal.com. In case you want to sign up under us, make sure you go to bonus.pritam.com, and all the links are in the description. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the strategy and the way we shared with you in terms of our thought process. In case you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comment box. I'll see you with a new one, and probably we're going to build some custom design website and funnels. All right. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you soon.